Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to tell you about the hidden apps option not showing in HyperOS device. So guys, how you can access the hidden application I'm going to tell you in this video. First of all, we have to go to security to hide applications and then scroll down. So we have an option of hide apps. These are all the application guys which is installed in your mobile phone. So just enable only these applications which you want to hide. Now after that guys, we have a setting option here, and we can also enable this feature or disable this feature about the hide notification. We can also use the app lock for these application, but right now I don't want to use app lock. So now as you see, Facebook and WhatsApp is now hide, but if you want to access the applications, all you guys have to do, just do the gesture like this, so that the hidden application is now appear on your screen. So that's how we can use the hidden application, and these application appears by just doing this gesture. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.